Hey guys, Crafty Coder here. Quick Motobrain update. Analog inputs are in, firmware is written. All the digital input functions are still there, except there are no more pure digital inputs. There will now be 8 analog inputs, and they will all perform either digital or analog functions. The digital functions haven't changed, so they're all the same, though the user interface will be a bit different. And the analog inputs are there are two different kinds. There is a basic analog input where you set a low voltage threshold and a high voltage threshold, and the duty cycle that you want all of the selected outputs to operate at. Below that threshold, in between those two thresholds, and above the high threshold. And then there is a potentiometer function where it works essentially the same as the other one, except when you're in between the low threshold and high threshold, we scale the duty cycle between your low PWM value and your high PWM value, either linearly or logarithmically, based on the voltage that you set for the low and high threshold, which might sound a little confusing, but I'll show you here. In this example, we have this output set to go between 0% duty cycle and 100% duty cycle, between 1000 millivolts and 10,000 millivolts, or 1 volt and 10 volts, and my daughter is crying, so bear with me here. So we turn it up, and there we're at about 100%, and then down, up and down, and that's pretty much the story. I'm pretty happy about this. This board's working exactly as I'd like, so I plan on putting one of these on my motorcycle right away, and I'm pretty much super stoked this is working perfectly. So we'll be getting these one more redesign in, and then I think these will be ready for prime time. So and the redesign is strictly about this wire interface, which I don't particularly like. Now that there are going to be 8 inputs, I want smaller wires and a better system for that. So anyway, take care and be well.